A very common question that people ask is, if I have a good profile and I get an AP score of 5 on 5, can it compensate my school record which was relatively not good? The real answer is no. Why? Because your good school record throughout your education is what that matters. If your academic record is good or brilliant, definitely you would have an added advantage even if you score a 4 on 5 in AP. Another important thing is the entire college application process which is there would make sure that you have a good academic track at least from 9th to 12th grade in most of the universities, and even before that in exceptionally good universities. Again, how many hours and how many months should I devote to AP preparation? So technically we say 2 to 3 months of dedicated preparation is a good idea to appear for AP examination. AP questions have multiple choice questions along with free response questions. So the paper pattern is relatively conceptual. If you have a good understanding of the concepts and your reading speed is relatively fast, you are able to absorb and assimilate the concepts, then you would be able to score good on your AP. To polish your skills for your AP, good idea is to take mock papers. So take one mock paper and study for next 15 days. Take another mock paper and study for next 15 days. During those 15 days, try to find out the weaknesses which were there in your mock paper. So identify the areas you went wrong and focus more before you appear for your next mock paper. So do follow this strategy and appear for at least 3 to 4 mock papers before your examination. That's the minimum that we are citing. And also the past papers, specifically the free response questions, are available on the College Board website itself. So you can just see the sample answers and the scoring guidelines and practice accordingly. Write your own answer and then tally it with the sample answer and the mistakes that have been marked in the answer writing. That would give you a good understanding on how to approach the answer correctly for your AP preparation. So it's important that if you get a 5 on 5 in AP with a poor academic score, then definitely you are losing on an important front. So if you are still preparing and targeting for AP, a good suggestion is to keep a good academic record in your school as well.